Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a quick screen recording on your Mac. I'm currently doing this in Zoom just because I'm going to do a little bit of inception and show you how you can do it with QuickTime, but I needed another application to record my recording. So that's why you can see Zoom up. However, the best application that you can use on your Mac to create a screen recording is QuickTime. So you can access QuickTime. Go in your applications folder inside your Finder and having a look for QuickTime. Or what I always like to do is use Spotlight search and just type in QuickTime, and then this will come up with the application. So there's two stages to this. First of all, if you just want to record everything that's on your desktop, we can go to File, New Screen Recording. But what we're going to do first is if we want to have our face in the picture as well. So I go to File, New Movie Recording. Okay, this will come up and bring my head, which we can see now. You can see which camera you want to choose. So if you have multiple cameras, you can choose that. And of course, we can choose a microphone. So I'm going to make this nice and small. And I'm going to put it down to the bottom right-hand corner of my screen, which will allow me then to create a new recording for my actual screen. So I'm not going to hit record on this movie recording. That's just going to be there as a little talking head. But then I can go to File, New Screen Recording. And then I have some options here if I want to capture the entire screen, if I want to capture a selected window, so perhaps if it's just a single application, if I want to capture a selected platform, again, record the entire screen or do a section. So I can actually say, okay, I just want to record this little window. Of course, I want to include my floating head as well. So I'm going to select create a recording of the entire screen. I also have options here to choose which microphone I want to use. I'm happy with my default one on my MacBook. That's perfectly fine for the majority of things that we need to do as educators. So from there, I can hit record. You can see that it counts me down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now it is capturing my recording. Everything that I do on my screen will be captured. So if I open up my Keynote, let's open up a recent deck. Here you go, tech orientation. That seems pretty fitting. So open up my deck. Everything is being recorded. From here, once I'm finished, you can see up here, I have a little stop button. If I select that, it will allow me to stop. Or I can also right click on my QuickTime there to close it off as well. But I'll hit this button at the top, stop. And now I have my video file, which if I play it, will have my floating head, and it would capture everything that I have on my screen as well. So that's how we can create a quick screen capture using QuickTime Player.